Go out for training.
Let me.
Go ahead.
Alright, kids, stay safe.
Yep, you too.
Just watching.
Hi, Robert.
Literally just filming. I'm going to a fire truck right now.
Yeah.
That gym though was so easy to take out.
I know what I took out them with like a 15.
Well, I mean, I
86.
don't really care much because I have a gym in my house I can just continuously take out.
And Robert's stuck in the middle. Ha ha ha. No, literally, he is.
Wait, where is he?
He's in the middle seat in the back.
Just filming.
That's fine. Just film over my head. I don't care. There they
I
go.
post this on Facebook.
Go ahead. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Then like get that app where you can basically put random stuff onto a photo.
Yeah.
And like just put the meteorite stuck in the thing.
Yep. Yep. There they go.